Looking for the best cocktail table arcade machines? In this video we look at some of the top 3 cocktail table arcade machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Creative Outdoor Distributor 412 Classic Games Arcade Machine. Pros: has 412 old school games, 2-player controls, comes with 2 stools, supports free and paid gameplay, no assembly required, heavyweight, high quality screen with thick tempered glass. Cons: games do not have a pause feature. Bottom line: its variety of games and high-quality screen make this arcade a go-to choice for competitive play. At number 2. Dock & Pies Arcade Factory 60 Retro Games Arcade Machine. Pros: has 60 old-school games, including Pac-Man and Frogger, 2-player controls, heavyweight, high-quality screen with thick plexiglass, easy to use. Cons: arcade machine needs to be assembled. Bottom line: this affordable arcade machine has a variety of games that make it a steal for collectors and bargain hunters. At number 1. ABINCVIDEO 3500 Classic Games Arcade Machine. Pros: has 3500 games, including Space Invader, 4 sets of controls, comes with 2 stools, supports free and paid gameplay, no assembly required, heavyweight, high quality screen with thick tempered glass. Cons: arcade can only have 2 players, despite joysticks. Bottom line: its durable construction and variety of games make this arcade machine ideal for large households. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.